So today I will be showing you how I have built my first Notion template. It's a YouTuber's tag manager. As an avid YouTuber and a guy who likes to post lots of videos on Kerbal Space Program and all other games on YouTube, I have found it really tedious, the process of uploading. More specifically, once you want to upload the files, let's say we're gonna take my newest video, which is Kerbal Space Program Moon Probe, and adding the screenshot, the most tedious part for me is actually populating those pesky tags. I don't know about you, but for me it's a nightmare. And the thing that every time I do have tools like vidIQ and all that jazz, however, I really don't feel like repeating these tags over and over, and especially if you're making Let's Plays or episodic content, this repeats. How my template solves the problem is it allows a small database which allows you to keep the list of tags specific for that game and some hashtags and all that jazz in your game library. And you just add it once, copy the list of all of your tags that it's relevant for that game that are common to all of the episodes, and then you can just simply copy paste it. So once you actually go to posting your video, you can just add tags that are specific to this episode, and then after you have copied these, you can just go to your template, copy it, and you can just paste them in your video. Therefore, significantly cutting on your time when you're creating an actual episode. But some hashtags that are actually being placed here, we also have them stored. And those hashtags are actually quite convenient either. We're just gonna be placing them also in the YouTube as well. Imagine just for every single episode, just copy pasting this content, and it makes the life all the more easier. So, having said that, this is actually a very, very simple template to make. So we're gonna be calling this tag manager. We're gonna make sure that we actually add the inline database. So database we're gonna be calling, we can actually add the database title, tag manager, and immediately we're gonna be hiding the database title. So this would be either the game name or the topic game name. Then we're gonna add some tags. We can add obviously platform, which can be later translated to, so it will be put as multi-select because platform can be PC, whatever. Then we put like tags. And then we add another one, hashtags. And maybe just for kicks, we can also add the game genre. So we're gonna be making sure that this one is full width, and we are gonna be opening it up again. So this we get in the full width. Now, when it comes to game name, we can give an example, say so that it's multi-select, and we're gonna be adding an option. So platform, we're gonna be saying that, but here you want to be placing your tags, you want them comma separated, so KSP, Kerbal Space Program, etc. Hashtags, hashtag KSP. Shift and enter will give you a new row, so Kerbal Space Program. And then game genre, we can call it exploration. We can add many more properties, but let's say we want to make this also a little bit pretty. So once we open the game genre, we can add an icon. Let's say we want this little astronaut, so it looks kind of cool. If we want to add the cover, we can definitely add it. It will make things look a little bit nicer. We're not gonna do this here. And that's pretty much it. So every new game you add, so every time you go and you want to publish a new game, first time you will need to actually do your keyword research, but then you can just copy all and paste it for later use. So there we go, and easy does it. Also, if you would prefer to download my YouTuber's tag manager, this guy, which has a little bit nicer editing, has a logo and everything, and it also has a tutorial This guy is available free of charge on my Gumroad page, which I will be posting in the comment below. You can just come to my Gumroad page, you can download this for free, keep forever, and enjoy using this tag manager for sorting out your game library or topic library, and you can customize your tags to your liking. Hopefully you liked today's episode, and I will be posting more in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.